Reggae Facts. Reggae Sunsplash, first staged at Jarrett Park in Montego Bay from June 23 to 28, 1978, was Jamaica's first week-long international reggae festival. The brainchild of principals of Synergy Productions, Tony Johnson, Ronnie Burke, John Wakeling, and Don Green, the goal was to further popularize reggae and to use the festival as a platform to boost the Jamaican tourism product during the slow summer months. Promoted as the biggest reggae festival in the history of the world, it attracted Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora, as well as the wider global community of music lovers. The first Sunsplash featured performances by acts like Jimmy Cliff, Dennis Brown, Third World, Burning Spear, Toots and the Maytals, Inner Circle, Bob Andy, and the Heptones. Over the years, increased numbers of attendees resulted in a scramble for accommodation, spawning the practice of camping on local beaches during the festival and the selling of what we call reggae beds. Reggae Sunsplash started its series of international tours in 1985, taking Jamaican culture to countries such as Japan, the US, Canada, and across Europe. Reggae Sunsplash was a staple of the music and tourism industries until 1996 and influenced the birth of many other local and global music festivals. Reggae Facts was brought to you with the kind support of the Jamaica Association of Composers, Authors and Publishers, JCAP, valuing your musical creativity.